Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Microsoft Defender for Endpoint to Intune. In your Microsoft Admin Center, navigate to your Security Admin Center. Now go to System and then Settings. Select Endpoints. If you do not see endpoints, you probably do not have Microsoft Defender for Endpoint license active. In the Advanced Features list, you will find a setting called Microsoft Intune Connection. Enable it. You can check the connection status in the Intune Admin Center under Endpoint Security and Defender for Endpoint. Note that this can take up to 24 hours after you connect. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like or a comment. If you hit the subscribe button, I would be very happy and grateful. Bye!